Dusa herbal capsules. Emma Memegina Brani. Na a ye may.
Ah, now, I just say I was to send me bravo.
Sweetie, may you come on, mammy? I drum one.
Hey, what does ye? A ye chuma.
It's a living testimony. Corner Judy.
What can't keep? Yeah,
I'm sorry. Oh, be it to me. I just happened for 1 woman for down for any the onion fear do me.
FDA. Ashesa a Jadian Katuimu, Adia to Musa a ye.
You been just on Kumobian de Wahami. Me Diana Doctor Asale, I'm Dapum, the Heba Center, Anno. And then they know you can come na yale amesapa e wo maswero and yale and yen send ye ti biano bombo den be do Dr. Asale maswero ya nyame fam so em woni ebie e kama ewiase nyina ne yale ne wo ha papa e di nya papa ti wani no se wo teme nkan wa ye hila eni send ye ti biara no wo de bombo fa be do Dr. Asale maswero ye eni se ete na wo so a wo de ba mema wo du abidu ko gin a obem no repa ete ne nyina free na ye kama pressure e na abo ni so wani na ebo e na wo so se ga kuma so na wo ni so en so ma obi duro ko gin abenom ebo wani ni so ayekusu ebo abo wani so wo hu ade obi ba wo hu te nipa na ben okra wo hu no o wachi so wo hu no ewia ba wo ntumi kra eno so wo be du maso ya ha nya me fa me so ma obi duro ko gin a onnom a wani tumi eye kama na wo tumi kwa nya hwe ya se diabetes eno so ya de bone papa eche yale ya de bone into timi nkan na se eche yale wo so na we ni problem so wo so a wa ye nhila watimi nkan me sa yale ama ho ato no so da dansidi akokire afoforo a wo so wo ha wo so ntimi nkan no waka chiro bi no so aba into you hwem se her screen ase me number na gu ase no fa number no le frɛ me na wo mu ya bi a watese nani wa so le ba bi wo ma me bi wo sesa bi wo no so no wo de number na ma no na wo so atumi abeduma so ya no mahwɛ no
Odifo ene odifo na yebo awiemfo ba da wote se wo falumba metabo ni din no ono ene na mebe mo akọ na akotie na num asem simape na wo hunu se upe baabi pa upe difo bi de ho akobata no a ye wadifo mu ahodo minimo ha ukure ha wo hwa abodamfo wa ha ene ya ba ha ubehunu ni nyina moborofo onibie papa na basa so na ene gi se mewom ni se o yale na ba na kache ha ono ama baabi a wo beda na amoduane adi kosi se wo ubenya ahoto na wo ababa bedi adanse nyame nsa wo ne so ne ma wo ye buradwe ne ntiase so koso na wo pepe bia kompai body a e jape krum ene ewo se woko adiji se be wo ni se bosumi bia oye all 91 ti bia wo hwe bia wetima prepare na wa baby bosumi bia ifia da to so mienu na oye no ona fa number na egu afidie ni so na frɛ papa yenko ne he odifo no etie na num kasa ketua na bo se wo te na num kasa mpa wo bo ebeto yam yenko hwe ne mra
ya frame na na ye bo a odifo awiemfo ba me wo japekuru adum no nyame de ma ye kwa wo se ye mfa nche kwa me de me dwuma media ne se me nyame som ne me sofodie nyina me se me hwe nyanka misia mobro wafo odi ana me hwe wo na wo ba no so nya nunku anti ese me ma wo nyame asem na wo nom na wudi na wo meye wo ba ni nya gidie se Obama na se wankasa mu problem na be dey e be sofo gidie ni mu a unso kristo nya twase obi o e dey owo gidie wo a wo hwe me no wo a wo hwe me sisi a wo hwe me wo na me no wo kasa asem no bra ani achinyi difo ho na si difo ni ho ba bia me wo a olumba e be pie me so no ye ka che wo be yo nwanwa na be ju nsem me hewura mu ba bi na de beda ahoto be de ba bia wo beda de wo betena aduane a wo bedie wo die wo ni hweku amese wo de beda enye achinyi bomode abra na abedu ha wo behu nyame ani monyam ene ne kese me number wo hwe makira kwa adu benyam ye 0243 356583 bra na abedu ha wo behu nyame ani monyam ene ne kese amen.
Radiant Pempens where do they? Beko family de shame bibi ni se broni amofedua no. No abesi trododo amatoa. Pia.
Anima, nada.
Super 3 days in the malaria. No, my God, to make us a
men can't could have malaria crown many baby pa.
I saw Minda na ya brain pon katachi. Me nim senya mtienti no. Me ba no, me boa me ho. Mo asaw aduro ni nie. Dawood heba Mr. Aduro wi me yire dom sima.
As a corner for one mama wedding. Dawood heba Mr. Dia mama di she ya kire se okwa obetima ahwe ne so yie. Bra bema. Me de chew. Dawood heba Mr. Sahini na do ni.
Yankra toyi FD agiatu.
Adi. Oi.
honey and about surprise. Edusa herbal mixture. Any Edusa herbal capsules. And no who dreaded there. Me could brew. Who's a dow complaining with Sissini Koowaa Epe Ajiwakade. Edusa herbal mixture. Any Edusa herbal capsules. And no who jack a sepan and neck. Me could brew. William, a yama money mema. Edusa herbal mixture. Any Edusa herbal capsules. A Yoko ni Sicilia drink a sepa.
Edusa herbal mixture.
Any Edusa herbal capsules. Mr. Roxnasi. Namen seven.
Edusa herbal mixture. Any Edusa herbal capsules. Emma meme jina brani. Na yeme.
Ah, na Edusa was saying me bravo we.
Sudi, maybe come on my mommy adwamwa.
Hey, what does ye? Aye chuma.
It's a living testimony. Kone kwa Judy.
What can keep? Yeah,
Edusa Obie Timinumbi. I just attend for one woman kwadano for any the onion fear dumi.
FDA ahwehwɛ saa adwade nkratoɔ yi mu agye atum sɛ ɛyɛ
yo medin chason komo bia na de wohwɛ me mediane Dr. Asale am da apom de heba center ano ene de me no atwe komo afa yale ba bebre na yale am sapa e wo maso e ho eni yale eni nse ne ti bia no bomboden bedu Dr. Asale maso ya nyame fam so em woni no ebie eye kamakama
Mama Koowaa ever Kumawood TV and then so obade no wayade wama moja edi frisan wo me no me no mu a na ye de na seda ye de be ma no sanse abrenyi na oye na doye ewo ho ma ye da menim se gidi ni bi ebeji me so say amen e sanse enye ahode enye sika enye ahofe enye position na rather no eye na daroma enti na yeti nkwemo enti o sorry ye wunya papa na seda e ma na Mr. Wada intentem so pana seda mano baby bia wonam so wakodu dwom so tikem na him Facebook live and I say impo no woda so wofi woda so dampem a intentem pana seda mano esanse woda no wonim kwan fa so a woda ye and I said when you so asiati wonim kwan fa so when esan ete and to just say thank you to Yahweh. Medini Diane Eduhene from now to like 8:30 we're bringing you nothing but absolutely stories making headlines in the world of showbiz as a great entertainment show on television. You're streaming live on Facebook, Kumawood TV, streaming live on YouTube, Kumawood TV. Share for others to be part of the program. Whilst you're watching the show, you drop your comments, your views, what have you, via the comment section. Your WhatsApp messages are also welcome via the WhatsApp line on the screen and to open here now with the WhatsApp messages and also so no you know that I'll read all of them for you on the show. Mameka will say abuaphobia daroma and adichi piara we must spend it almost sika so yasne emerijumedi April as the PSA and comma CJ Fashions kumasia mekom ojibre eshematade and to won say meshatade bia na ewura kwame someone CJ Fashions and wapam edia sheme fefefe and to also oko event bia na pesa ohonyefa just call him now 0268 505021 0268 505021 wo friend na atade bia opese wo share no obepam e de amawo wo abrochiro wo here country bia wo no just make sure that you will call him obepam or the best send fefe opese or customize what atade no kra na CJ Fashions e be e de amawo wo dra mekoma Sweet FM and Ash FM Junction Hall and a billboard no AC directly opposite Odani Sports Lens Wrap and a Vanyo Pub and a Obehono as they be over and coma Edison Herbal Center for I want the Edison Herbal Capsules a baby so I'll tell you much more about the capsules and then tell you much more about Edison mixture and also when you be on the map I can tell you say obey ya na achepa yade pa enya de a obeyare bi basa de biarada odi for na ye boa e wo jape krom papa e chia ba bia o bia minim sa ade chi anasa no pay se oda sumpo e hyede mu a o hweye se o wadwuma mu so minim se o hweye papa e bo adwuma e wo jape krom o se bre wodi hye bia na adwe mu kan kakra oye no ma ensisi so wo de fa ne beda no wo Yesu Kristo di mo odi no bna e be sane ya de amawo e ma won so no wabo won sem e de ama no esanse obo adwuma wo mo de o mo ade hye akoho biara no e di adanse se papa yi e bo adwuma enti fa ode hye koho na onya wo mo afefefe the numbers no e really e wo screen na so you pick it up and then you talk to Odi4 Nana Eboa na obeye wo mo adodo Dr. Eye Apia Herbal Center one so ekra said or sebra kwada so eye insum opposite the Presby Church obe pm se diabetes so se stroke se eye yade ben se koko se ye den o debra ono so e de obade ne nubina ne hahamai ne dunsi se de chona ka se ye ne aduaba no Yenfa ha no ensa yade no aha na no bete bi no so no e de asa wo yade no e de amawo sebi mpedi asase wani si wisi so asum na kika wo so wuja wona ya sebi moja wo mani adade wo je fa koda Dr. Pia Herbal Center na onya wo mo anope waso ya sne din ene di dwumede e de bro the numbers no egu screen no so a wadaro ma fa na wone no entwetwe nkomo na onya wo mo sanso ena Dr. Dawood ye doctor nyame onya okese na onyu mfradomo enkwadomo esanse da bia no ukra sedendende Dr. Dawood se bre na wo ba obeboa wo enkankan ne Dawood herbal ointment no e super extraordinary eno ene ointment bia se wodi twu body na obon se body dead na obeda na ho obon se wo chika se o ojonko oba bia ye wo ya no ebe ye wo adwebrel sanso ena ne mesha no me se malaria fever bia intiment na woni pedua no de bia rada se je wa bofuno se amase bi mpedua sa wutimu so na se kakra na wa bre ho me eyobo ho wo di anso benom Dawood herbal mesha When you not want to mean the loss of appetite, grab a bottle of Dawood herbal mesha. Now what you no mame, one on ma a one now be when say you a druno a be yun quenya a woni pedrian. Now I be say yes. Herbal no a dosso. Nenso a bit the BH na papa pane and one Dawood herbal mesha. For Dr. Nambano. Now one no education come na obey on Bushman International. Good morning to you. Or no so home appliances the of Fanoka or Sebre or a year a junase a quina swa a great junction. But the Bushman or no so ever one studio na afino me mammy adorables. The sweetest. Me team me nupe the nation's uncle bako pet. Ah, no, na chi obi ani ho so blue the amano if you say ordinations uncle at nase no ajuni koja no red obi no can say red waje and I'm a black handsome yay or therefore jamba akope or the sister the guys are bright as this the hey killer number 1 Wajinaja. Why latte to say the age? I didn't be so good. Ready?
This is here.
Akawa. Now say.
Oh yeah.
I
don't so good guy walk.
I don't know what's a mystery.
CJ fashion.
I never could see you.
And the woman body and woman.
Ah, okay.
I didn't hear the answer.
Oh, that's the one, uncle. Ah, Mr. Yonko. What's a bra?
And what you walk car?
And I'm call out now, book. And I don't see me, I'm so far, remember.
The topic to be it is here.
Oh,
okay, what you got to do?
Capra. Now, who need to take a watchy, a dim watching teenage jam book.
Maybe you know the agent. I want for them pleasant. I want for no.
So when you say about who be open person uncle.
So from your part,
and you.
And then boy,
Yeah.
I'm penny ball. It won't tell you about me, child.
And then yet, then they are movie now. Go for the piano. Let me come back now, Marco Pacacana.
Yacho,
maybe I'm movie.
Oh,
what can you? What can you? What can you?
Over.
You
Oh,
I can't you guy into. I am from process. Now, if you are doing what down,
process.
Or the amount.
You are fine. Bra.
They say, Ghana home. I did back one. Then you post soon say, what can I say? Or you are doing a walk.
Okay.
Because I was not wood. Hey, catch him you. Hey, look at him you. Look at him and to wash out. So for passing. Upon what baby I will be able to show. Tofu. Upon what baby I will be able to right now. When some can see when you. Show.
Oh, wow.
I don't know.
Wow. Nothing around Cameroon.
No, Pam goes slow for.
Oh, wow. Don't understand. No, now.
I don't know.
Papa loving brutal.
Yeah. Usuru.
Perfect one. Or love for rock.
Usuru. Pam goes slow.
One and one, but we'll be.
Yeah. I'm the same.
Baby, some.
One of the horse of who.
Guy.
What would you say? Why not the chair?
A guy.
One day, not. And no, don't young one and say,
No,
I said, Sandaguso. I put a soldier for Baruda. I will pump as a Sandagus, a soldier for Baruda.
So, for me, uncle, and come uncle.
Something kind. Therefore, Benny,
Uncle Papa. Papa said, oh, no, if it's it, or say, I could bra. Eh?
How to crack a windia.
Chintia.
I know the Obeco. Nature.
Oh, wow. Ah, Papa, a guy. You see, a young prince.
Yeah, I have waited and asked.
Well, of course, I have to also be
a Mojimere. Now, I'm sure that we are.
Casaremo.
You're quite a month for when I'm my neck. That's yeah.
We can hear you. Okay.
We is can you by sir. This is coming home at time.
And I used to mamma.
I don't know if I want to a program. You see,
I check about this. I can't so release.
Oh, well, release it.
Yeah, can't be you global. Papa. Young uncle.
Oh, Chinazo.
I didn't know about
Hey, I want for some pastor in him.
I
wish I for me comment him. Now the nation's uncle and then no, there can be connection.
I said, he's got to draw.
I told her.
You want to know now, you're Bassa, same name. Young Quay.
Bravo, come here. Bravo, come here.
And then to this son to them, Timia. This is also my boy, Simia. That you who are below. Sika. Sike. I was he can't do me for my parents, so I got to wait me to form Papa. A Roman boy. What a young car. Now, the boy.
Nasa me ka say enyu ni ani.
Akwasi continue ni.
Mate. Alish Mama, may the first story ever. Chef for others to be part of the program this morning. It's a Friday, of course. We're going to speak English. Today is an English day, whether Ujam likes it or not. We're going to speak English latter part of the show. When it's time for my last story, definitely people will speak English here. And today, it is strictly English. If you can't speak the English, you won't talk. So if you know you can't speak the English, Ujam, get ready. You won't talk. Straightly English. It's because I give you the opportunity to blend to do a Chinglish, so you're not serious about the English language. But today is a Friday now. Make sure that you speak the English. So get ready. Pardon, like seriously, like pardon, like. Alish Mama, my first story I'm a bro and I don't pay, and it's the Prophet Nigel Gazy and or they and Sembi Atujana, and then some of that Atujana so catch a Sakawa boy be Sakawa boy say on so seed. Ying na Kumo be him say to me be an Sakawa for 7 pedasa or more Jomo Hunter, social media more got Twitter, Instagram or more Oko Facebook, dear Bubrija. If you create me that no one ma. Should be no a bema, a lot of fake accounts here and there that I cannot really go on and on and on like that. But now, if we go PM our Prophet Nigel and China catch and say on so seed, na so seed a prophet and our catch Sakawa boy and say on so seed, na so seed that ne clients no on betchi chile sika putu na womo area friend. Adishmama. Mommy, she video na yema. The prophet. It me can say there and I send that. Stay with us. We're back.
Rasta, how are you? You have to sow a seed you've not sown such before. And you are doing this for yourself. You are doing this for. Is this thing gold? Wow. Don't. You are talking to authority. Don't do that. Okay. It's gold. That's okay, I won't take it. We don't do that here. Yeah? I also have gold. Yeah, this is gold. Watch me. How are you? I want you to give God a sacrifice you've not given before. Then I'll tell you why I'm saying so. And you give it today, you give it to the church.
I should tell you.
Also, catch them and say, also see, I rather say, main just sacrifice, infinite. Sacrifice, a becano. Now, watch me. I don't talk about money. But this church, we don't do money. I'm seeing something and I don't want to use that as a bait. I want you to do what God, I want you to do what God says you should do. Release a sacrifice you've not released before. And let me tell you something. I'm closing. I'm far behind this. How much will you give to God? Oh, 500 is too small. Do you know what I'm saying? I'm seeing millions coming into your account and you got 500 cities. What is 500 cities? Praise him the Lord. Watch me. I don't want to say it was you will be a canna. I want you to do. Listen, I'm seeing plenty money coming into you. Watch me. Why are you shy? Are you sure of me? I'm seeing plenty money. I'm simply and where you are staying now, leave that place. The house you are staying. Yes, the house you are staying now. Leave. Kai's own 2 fear. Kajan said. You are packed already, yes, so you are moving out. Yes. My God. Good, my God. Listen, I want God. Don't think about it today. Give God like 5,000. Don't think about the money. You are doing this. He's laughing at me. Is that what? So catch and say, "Me who say sika bebre fi abroche." Can say me who sa computer nechi, but a normal block. But oba altar no me say or baby or beji broni baby sika bebre. Catch him. Say oh beji broni ba say also ma nyame adwan we praise him the Lord. And catch and say on my me. It's be say enne of sacrifice say no beti me ama na fe the menka last stage. Be ma what if you are not bro for bra ma pon. Come. You are a handsome man. Who brought you here? Your brother. Who is your brother? Innocent. Okay, God bless. So you know this one. Okay. That's fine. God will bless you, okay? There is something they have injected into your body. They've injected something into your body. When we close to see me, okay? You're a very nice man, handsome man. Okay, give me 5. God bless you. Okay.
Prophet Nigel Gazy, good morning. Offer.
Diane.
Papa.
Everybody in show my nina. And this has been Tafrache for more. I saw for BT say, come on, some no more cancer in Fino. And no mean at your money. Oh, woman, Yaman and Quasasama Woody. I saw for that it say in Yaman. Oh, Quasasam as I be a benny trim the stamp. Oh, Intinia say, oh, Munyaman, it be an wada, and I will wear chichi. Go Yamina, I can say, no, Sabita Prata, Sans in Fin, Winnie. That's him with on the country, Nipa. So that's what you born him now, who are born in one yet. You knew that on 1 year, sir. In Guardian fans, I benny trim grass or bezan. Nanka, oh, do you for no Koran, Kian Tunka, Canopa catch and say, or Bob Gabby Christus on pet. And one who's only been Tino was abroad into a Mabroni be a wobby. Abrin be an second says he can pay 1 year at the hour. And cannot even him the Abata Moka Crase, saying Yamini Nimon and Casa. Because we beat the body never had a person surprised now was surprising to say the Niba Banner also no one who's still or that's so done into 1 chin won't feel one. One Casa says, may I, dear Namana, is Adiana whom Yami support. And so when your Christo Nibia on Petra Concroca and Adjunamere, no personal interest, I'm a soft no. When the Hoyam effect, Bob and Gino, and Nico and Kawakanya walk and Sanguatia Pona Boamo, or the other Cankas and Piachero. Jidabia intimate judge or man and con any more many penny now. Yet to Groma said, Malam for now more border with TV in India many Pekumados. Yeah. But so for I saw them air come for scam and I'm mooning your moye, and son of much may bring be any somebody scabbering. Your own grandbaby almost coming on Mukum Nipa di Moja, and a young moya and son at Mam will be at Temnisica Nadia Breno. And can't it not have been no man or wrong one and a jump. We are no about Bronibian Fancy Camera. Yeah. Because I see a video called Renny Pakurenim, Renny Pakuran and the Casa, or Mongus Animal, maybe Jesiah would ye. And in Nurosam, Conduroson or Makwa, just added on the abbey, and I saw Pumua, who was any power said discovered to council. To an unique amount move 5,000 in AGD. Answer. And then the years to trouble. At the Mount G. and San on your person or your man, I am 500 Ghana. Is that? This is about 5,000. Uncle, Unoye, Jinatin, Timuji 5 million says, well, Graticover, I don't do any paper. How many posts? And San when as Escano. And all come across the other 1 poor, and you track 1 million. It will go 5 posts and San or the man, 1 9 year. Babby decrease to 1 dance will be my 500 user. Or my 5,000. I think, Papa William, so maybe so. So, Obi Mawa dear, I was say free on 1 Casani pay, Manamboa. I rather see you, young man. A man in your Wakuma, he saw Bema. Sadian to a radu young coupon, a bench down. Yado Sabesum be a benchda. I feel not as some nice Abacatro be himself. And now a shet, an arm and Fesso, and also anybody is got. Now, very near every that's just up for you one's handwagging. Uboka. I saw about the Bacatro and Tessa. Oh, you anybody in the Caddy Scalcotana. You will be a gunner for your near friend. Waiting yet to me that I ain't to me president to bet my boy mine. Quadrenamre. We are doing ya, now we are doing Jimmy. We are doing to be ya, now we are so the engine. She named me yesterday, Yadrina a pet, and the idea ye take a decision, say, to mind to me. Yet to grow man America will be any say in a befa. Papa, no Mutunia. As you couldn't number of phonograph no action with a said you was treaty black and yet said you was yes or Mukamuna, one found to a crew, in the crew. On my walk on any Nazo Beko. Yeah. Young Quadia Yariane Damuntino, you are so for baby, they will crum one of Musuban yet, a bravo Mobonye. O my acho, and I come on the Now, I don't know of us me bizarre, and I said, meet me a bizarre. Maybe I say, how did the cameras, get into the church premises? A man will meet me capture with the bar because I'm not sure. Say, I saw Diana, so him Sadiana Warrior one. If you have one tia and your logic in India, and I did India, or Ghana, so the mouth trendy. You don't know any so crown a good Christo who you are trending. Yes, I saw your way. Where I wear, now they can answer the camera. It is a so for no money down, a do sabri with your back just off the camera. don't tell what I said, Johnson, no, yes, I didn't watch them.
Okay.
Over dreams over kind of try the fair me had it. Now, qua was the sunny man, and I'm so man out in here. And Pao or JB are going to be do grasso, one kind of once. I can't a woman will program now. I'll hear what system the moon again. Meaning, when I say in zero shame, 5 when I'm saying, now, Miss Tatina get ya. In Vivian, you be a dear and Ghana by a fire, they say. So I started sort of get you, but we would have soft when say young moon or could have so young moon be free bar. Now, dear me, as I'm a gun and even to catch you. Well, yes, I had the eye from Eden.
Yeah, they behind me.
I can't throw me and done no more for Manoya bar. Because it's a movie because I was here any guy. I said it a French, I walk around anybody, do what Tamara say, Yoya. Not Christo body, yes, there be a Muhundi, ye didn't have no dear Hamo. Major woman just yet. Now, no, I took a guana beckoning. When some are better as a cat to tip people, oh, both. Now, your body, we are saying, dealing to the Dibiano, who you are going to want to master, or your money choker. No one joker. Now, no, yes, I won't joker. Will be a boy, we are saying, a move Bratam, the dear seen a credit panion into. Not for the deal who did ya, whom we yet Rassi and Kakas of Pinch and Yami Baby, who be grand gas and Yaminio. Ubi gaso na so song kwase asem so dodo ene nya media wo abotre dodo ne de kaka safia how does en ko yo papa ngi di na tam dodo da so ye ba wo de obi bedu ata no abechim na ugu so chim na nya mo tua bukasa wo bo na ne beba ene de so munya sika ndo
500 Ghana I feel don't say no
yes can no so wonya sama de o ye de kaka da say sika bi film hunu se sika bi fra yi ba da wa kan ni bi ma o huge amount of money go mi so te computer no hu bi o te computer wo ye banka your man huge money no would you buy it and our sheponi your man ya de hu skebele no
ebia
umpe no kure hwe da ho na bia mu ya na yemie ho na awrade si mi hunu se no nko a e den so obeti so mu piriki
bra
ai
prophet Nigel Gezi
me de me dam sa no na manfo ho ji wo
ba no nya so
wuti afatia me
come Nigeria
yeah hoyo
dai
ofa
da ya me catch us na jagezi no wo free na me odi aduru na ye na sole
oh sese
e wa la tamem Nigeria mem sabia so me makasa asem se boy no mini no e de bia no ya na ye ni pa no e ko trans ye di blame mo mo tia sole dem umutim galuye no mako wura sole dem
say utim so nkasa nkwa sorry
da ya ye utim nkasa nkwa sole say asobi na wo ko wura mu no ensem fata wo body ensem fata wo kra
wo be den hu
na me nti wo de wo ye ntimi hu
okay
na ni nye ehi me me na hia me mo kire na me mo kire me ya jage aso ko wura wo msese ya ensem ko kan na sa fa no me wo sa fa no me afra asori dem wo de abafie I tell you what was that for me I want to jage asori dem wo no asa de abafie it's rare. Wow, wọ́n sọ dẹ̀bi àdáyà mi kẹsẹ̀ ayé anadu ọmọ yẹn no ebi mu yẹn no yẹ anamami hu nyanko pọ̀ sẹ́ wò si tiẹ̀ sẹ́dẹ̀ ni su ni ne ban esi tiẹ̀ onyame a wata sọ̀rọ̀ no obi enu wọ̀ onim ne da ẹ̀yẹ jidie ẹni ẹ̀dí ehu sẹ́ o onyame ẹwọ̀ hɔ ana mpanyampa yẹ hu sẹ́ ẹ̀kẹ́kẹ́ ababu ama adam ne saa de mi ni nyane yẹ hu sẹ́ nyanko pọ̀ wọ̀ hɔ ne tumi ni nyama wɔ yɛ nyina hu sẹ́ nyame wɔ hɔ wọ́n tó nsuo firi soro wọ́n dɔ agrada wọ́n yẹ sẹ́ wọ́n yi sukɔkyia wọ́n bɔ awia ɛnyɛmɛ wọ́n nyame yɛ no ɛmi hu sɛ nyanko pọ̀ wɔ hɔ ne su ne ban no ɛnyɛ bi na saa na jagezi wɔn fa jagezi ɛta sɔrɔ dɛm ɛbu obi apo ɛni obi a ɔno sikama otwi mogya ekum wɔ nipa na sɛ wo tim bɛ wura sɔrɔ dɛm wɔ etim di ne sika didi a onyanko pọ̀ no nyini di nkɛmɛ so mbɔnsam ɛso mbɔnsam asama nkaro o ya rɛ
sɛ ɛdɛ no ntumi nkankyɛ president sɛ fametu fo kwa
yes
easy bra
what is da ya what is one nkano sɛ wo da jagezi ko bi sikama ni abɛwura wɔ sɔrɔ dɛm wɔ ɛnyɛ ma sikama ni ne yɛre nyɛ wotumi gyi ne sika ndi a mɛka sɛ nyankopɔn wɔ ne tumi mɛkɔ bɔnsam hɔ anaa mɛkɔ bosom hɔ wei wotumi bɛhyɛ ayɛfa nsɛn ayi yɛ president foɔ ɛnkɔm wiebewu wei ne kyerɛ sɛ wo na gyege sɛ wonka nyankopɔn ɛma ho yakopon ma wonka ho ware ye nyame betwa ne kapa ware ya wo bebre pa wonya kontopo na wo ye no enya enipo ni tasa se so ye nye free fra papa ye mo papa yeni ko ye dali ni so mu ya ho se me ye late yo me ko na jageza so me ye late yo rani yeni ye
Ebimo, because we have some good churches. I saw you about what you say. Uku Remo, won't say yes. Namia Sama won't say no. What you say yes. But Ebimo, Ama Sebio, Bebrina, Ma, and now sorry, and now to because I'm a soft crana. Now, quay something which is that.
Because Ebimo, say, what just solid, no, you 500, you 200, yeah, and you be more. Ebimo, you 15. 20 and you be more. I saw the is one kakaka. I mean, you forgot 400, 500,000. Now, yeah, Roman for near the DJ, yeah, no mono, same period. Yeah, those be brains, yeah, I don't know. Okay. Some was stadium. Then to see you. Say any part who be a sorry, and I'll call sorry, okay, sorry, and I'll stadium. Any part 3,000, 4,000. Yeah, I could rest stadium one. Anybody in the same so, Namifasa, anybody in a woo was watching about 3,000. Anybody, but anybody to woo, and you can, oh, a bit more. The bit you so many people today. Many 500 go on them one, 200 go. I saw a nipper won't be and you be no, and your papa. And papa. Now, the girls are telling your papa. But stop, and I may example say, Oba may master a Roman, sorry, you broke. More than 200. We are lost. Yes. And see, you call first service. Second service. Third service. But you hardly hear say Orthodox churches say Roman, Anglican, Pentecostal, or no. Sanoma we know a costo. And time a mechanical a costo and costo. But Sebi, acquire one man church is single for no. And I said 7 period say be more a yes, sir. I say, yet mean generalize it. I saw in Yina. I saw no. You can't sorry, Pentecost, sorry. And against I sorry. And against the Crababro, Pentecost Crababro, Lumina sorry. Omuna sorry, dear, and see it me for Munina, so boom say, Womuna. And Pentecost crowd said your song, and I said your song, Umuya. And I wrote my Umuya. Can you run up more? Abadi and so it's not like this. Minion shall say, Uberoma, sorry, them, my father Becca shall say, we are scabby. That and no mammy can make much say, you will not see a father. Or Mata Pentecost software, I say, well, Ukrano, what Babaka the master say, where in Yaya. Na Pentecost Ukrano, exactly. Who is what you young Mecca. Exactly, until I make us say, sorry, be. Aha. That's against the end, Sophia, why you're full papa. Yamma, what you full papa? Because we are coming to be Roma, so I'm sorry, them. What will be sorry, them. One friend say, said your song, Mamma 5 million. Was all my 5 was a 5 million. 1 more 50 million. Now one can say, what you do what life for our pay. Never am assuming also. By anybody was a sister, you near free flat. You knew a soon can be anybody as an intimate. All right, Yammy, soon can be Diane. Soon can be and Ogana, Macassi, Adina, Yamatia. I didn't Yamra. Ubidina saw them so for so much as or a scam. I can't be scamming or a wine. A crop for robber. Into police intimation and chess of one. So what men is scam, as a Shannon comes on Coson, we a promoter. Into Ukraine was eating me for really a train wine. I got an idea. The uncle, Mr. Bagana, the busy adults who could because no could be higher. I didn't say so. No. However, Dana Nipano, I didn't need that. Will be animal. No more for non watch the boy cross and come. No more phones. And Juma Ben, I computer Ben, I got town this can bridge labor. Computer Ben, a Ghana, Yayaba, and Unya Tram with him just can bridge labor. That's all scam will be. Now, some of the average in a challenge from Began. It was here any other man to be a mean Jazzy and Tegra. Ghana from BDA. Ghana, some of you. Not so from so so your home. If you when you do be our brave as you do, or that came when I against say, what do you know? What's the scam any be? What's who you scam any be? When you're calling your pet. na what it is solid demo and Pataku and Mama, not it is solid demo. No, me na fufa.
Baby a chum sa obi nim se mo fa picture mara. Unu ya bi akwa bulu chum be so ma na men cheese kan ma. Na so dem buru bi akura picture. E kwa na ni nyina Ghana mpanyubo hu ne yeto. Ye ntwen gwezi dabe. Na mo twen eduru me so na me ye bi dia na mbeba se e chia ho.
Well, let me go on.
That's what one papa so shen kom sa. What asori dem so say. Nyanko poso mo komen sensan.
Sa.
Nei, sa for me ya. Na aso fo ni sensan.
Green grass.
Green grass no. No aso fo ni.
Hey.
Yo.
Na yo no.
Na yo no.
Omo kwa we so.
Yes, no only free no Nigeria. I know the bar no. No aso fo I aso me and yo. Onko no no omo wi say ya.
I know say nkofo ebese se omo adwen.
Wana bese adwen. Ghana. Ukokuru mo nto pataya wo, papa wo. Dem bia kwase abekuru.
Ebe to pa.
Dem bia kwase abekuru. Adechi na dese ni kwase abekuru.
Ebe to pataya.
Ebe to pataya.
Because pataya ne do so.
Do so. Obenu fedan na tade ne polythene bag na afo say chaw.
Onyi mu anya hwe.
No anya hwe. Jibi.
Oja mo kill me o.
No kure wa ko ti.
Do si pataya.
No pa gumura no se.
Eno fifia.
Nya wa di so bi dia.
Wo de sika koto, wo ba na wo de apataya wi no. Na wo de agu abonte na ana ewura mu se ebe fifia. Jimi.
All right then, my main question. Chef for others to be part of the program. Oh my goodness, Oja mo kill me. Baby, I be fine. Baby, I be fine. Baby, I be fine. I'm going on with my messages. I have this one from Ifodi say, good morning, Diane. Good morning, Bishop and Ojam. Diane, God richly bless you and your crew. Thank you. This one say, I like the cordial relationship among the crew. Yes, I need to boom. It's kind of one I have this one also from Nana Kosi says that sure. Awesome. It's such as work happiness. It makes business grow. Yeah, it is. Hey, this pastor. You are actually what? Nana. My main comment. Harry says that Nigeria is part of those. Niger, yes, Niger is part of those Yahoo scammers. Can you imagine this from a pastor? Inciting scammer to pay 5,000 cedis in order to scam a white woman of all her money. Bisa na bisebium. May comment him. Phil John says that yes, Obafo do that a lot. He always tell his cameraman to off it when he is doing that. I'm going on the messages. Heavy duty magistrate say, hey, Asamo. Phil Jones says the police should actually go after all the fake prophet, not only Agrada. If we said more fire, Ojam. Heavy duty magistrate says, Ojam, don't look at this prophets and say you don't believe God. It is his own cup of tea. Yeah, I think I agree with you. Phil Jones came back to say that money, perfume, abeyifonku, sika gari are all scammers. If what he said, Ojam, don't say that. If what he said, Ojam, I disagree with you on this side. Phil Jones says APC is not a church. Is a place of scammers. Phil Jones says that Nigel Gazi, Kweku Entry, Obinim, Bedu Kobi are all scammers. This is your message though. Phil Jones came back to say that offer Ghanaian leaders cannot actually do anything. See what Kennedy in Japan did last year. Those prophets did to those prophets, but still we have a lot of Ghanaian going there, and yet easy. My second story making headlines on today's Koowaa Show, and it's a Phil Chini Jonas, yes, Chini Jonas, Edin Sembi. I bet you just say Papa Kufuor, President, His Excellency of the Republic of Ghana, Nana Kufuor, stop burning the excavators. Na fix ya kwano. Yes, your video number. Stay with us.
I'm telling you, I'm not feeling better to say, be away, Jimmy. you are sick. You are ill. Or any beer the whole country. Wakoton assassin. I'm here to Galam say every 1 minute be a by us. Why would dear Nimu every 1 minute be a by us? I'm here sensual every 1 minute be a by us. Every nam chacho every 1 minute be a channel. I'm here this sensual Nipa Manyan Sunum. Sao Henno, wouldn't mean answer what Jimmy. And to where become Crum Hinibia, Fauquasiaco, and Memfound to maintain or graph with Jimmy. We yare. I'm telling you, I had the Massa Umenya, a Nananomia Sramia Pamacho be at you. May bow so straight into your BSN answer of Fumo. Sarabaya, me mouse. I'm telling you, why Jimmy Biami the Bem Mount straightforward. Tiakofu, I don't know what me, I'm sending man no tea. On my instruction, Mobi and she excavator Biabio, Mrs. Anquia Quine. Yamu, me to pass you. Namo. I don't understand you people. Hey, I come crying to baby and foot chama or be teaming me and new site in crime, new site in Aquia to do. Kumasi new site in crying to do. When you excavator, at the margin of fear was my judge. Hey, no, I'm sorry, you people. And now, hey, Munina Manchini, the whole country, while we are involved in excavator, Shebia, and Masia, like Jimmy Masaba Masia. Munina be an answer. Every 1 minute to be a by myself. I didn't hear this kind of quota, near the Ababe, Crony. Nothing, Yamia Dum, Obia, Quam, Quasasema, Muako season it, yeah. I then also charge to every 1 minute to be a by bass never. Or by Bassian, you know, about Bain, baby, and Mijana, Mijana, Quine, and Fifi. Ton Waba, Sam and Trim, on light wire, Mano. About Tracy Bachimore, Moisha Budumore, or Babessia, more fair for, my fair for, to say, no. Hi, how are you? Yeah, no, Mammy, bye bye, no, you. Say, Oba, or no, take Crum, it's Miss or a cookie pass. As so many mine. What you prefer to work yes, so ya, as so many mine, what you quiet, I echo to playing them, as so many mine, what you be a teacher, as so many mine, not be beneath Cromudia. I just a blackmailing, no more blackmailing ministers. Next,
Chile Jonas, and I didn't somewhere have a teacher. Why would you clap for him? What do you say, minimum? You would definitely clap for Chile Jonas. Oh, Jam, why won't you clap for Chile Jonas?
Clap for her.
Say clap for him.
Clap for him. Clap for him. Can you get us? Clap for him. I am there. What do you know? Catch it. When you answer, but catch it. They do it. What can go to February Chamber? Huh? And I'll be down when I know. Waka? Waka? So. Can you make us? Yeah. I've not need to meet the good. Every 30 so. Apart from, then I know 2 4 or go to see will be a. I've the only answer the world Ghana. Oh, to me, I shall say, go to about 30 say, nay, apart from 2 4, you will go to see will be a. And now you're doing coming to my answer. Huh? And I'm just saying, your song, yeah, Mafia no moon, Mafia Mafia Jimmy Funti. I don't think yes, honey, man. Then be I didn't see a car. It is all you shine over with you. Where could do not see your home. I don't know what time I'm kind of matching the I've reached a baby over Munquatino, someone on touching the wa. Who go Bantima, hospital on and Papa Yaminaso. Who Gia, on now won't can I'm off for one they will look at me. And supposed to be a president, Muslim minister, most of you want in it. Now I don't know what else you are doing, Kaka, not called it. Now, what would Jimmy? I can't now. Kabako. I can't. Once again, I just found you, and this say, we'll be PhD, what mean your money, we'll be your money. Now, the Dimatama, when you any that, what did ye? When you will be up at the bottom, when you will be up at the noon, when you will be up at one and a half. But according to near the toss when you just can't eat. And never be a dictator, you need be from all about, correct? ma me mu ne na nam ahon kwanmu mu diga ana o man Ghana harum Asante Region e bo kan wala so ko ehwem se Asante Region wala so ehwem se Asante Region and abrante solia no osu ababa ho solia no osu wonya dwuma nye etidi na ode beye se be so obekọ ko bọ dwaman wo didi untimi nye ne hwe ono na didi japade ono na didi japade it is a mu di abro awudi a yeso be kan kwasase mo kyerɛ mo na yesi tu mfa mo mfa etidi nyanse atem didi je be didi mo
na wodi atem na
no wodi no moto me didi watem me moto me pa wodi obi atem a da pa wote wo yo yere no wajimi a ye di watem a me moto me ye do se didi appoint sa de me nyina no minister MP president wahere yadi mu sisi brono se obi anya ne ye se ya yani ya ni ma dia na se yani ete o mamu a yani sa di bra no ye be di dia me ho atoye ana yani to ba ni mamu wi a na se de mu si wa yani wi a yani ya sa so mo o mo we mu yani ya sa so mo anyam na wo so ye ana police ni na dwen ko so jadi na dwen ko obi a dwen ko ana o mo na ye bisi basa na kingo ya si do atemwa ni aka chese de hoya ne ah he abroche won oba be se ne ya krabas bas wo twi ye de krom wa America wa ye no oba ni twi ye be no didi president atem e be no didi minister atem e be no didi MP atem e be no didi assemblyman atem police ni sika so didi so didi sika so didi assemblyman sika so didi wa abroche wo bia de ne nima wa ye bia ngwa kama. What does it make? No one Jimmy so called Britannia was some people free crumb one more. What was it? Miami? Why are they? Any papa who are back to be tell Colombian? What tones are saying, Marco? I'm a nipple 20. Now, quiet to come away more than it, no hotel. I just want to go. Why are you? What tones are saying, Marco? I'm a nipple 20. No more Kumawood, no damage. What temperature? Now we're going to temperature. We didn't know what say. I don't teach you grow. We didn't know what say. I don't teach you grow. I don't know when you're here. I don't know mine when you're here. And that will be up. Will be why you think the man tell me what the four ones were here. What we call the man tell me. And I'm going to come. I was it. Papa. Put on the menu of 10 was sit there. No, any year. Kusu. Kusu. Hey, Kusu Kokore, and Sassi Clemini walk. Yes, Kusu Kokore. Assassin would be drunk watching about Clemini walk. What would mean Niagalam say? What would mean Niagalam say? Now, what did Yagalam say? No, why am penning for? What time was some walk? And Pana Banway. And Pana Banway. Ghana and Yensu, Yensu Tina Kotane, Milo. Milo. Tuto pano na de kobom. Tuto pano na de kobom. E ti penifo no ye no mutasa se mu dia bro aseye.
E asemo.
E na ko hospital. Anya se be so ye ntimi hwaw. E na nipa wuo na ewuo. E nipa wuo na ewuo. E ti se na uti ya se ni na ko pa se Ewrade ma me nyale. Na ko hospital. Wo nya na ko hospital. Ana ke trefe no pala. Ko do so ko tondro no. Na hospital ji na hwe. Wo be wu. Ya didn't go so quickly, but cool. You said, Doctor, any nursing in that thing, and so, and crow. He said, the doctor pen will not. The nursing people will not. Hey, oh, mother, say, oh,
yes, some more.
What might not say?
What did I Bibi Abe?
What might not say?
Until the Papa Kufuado say, or no, or Bomodia say, you beat my obey, or Augusto, Augusto. Ministers no now or the mototo SCN and one no any baby any word that's the say no yeah London Germany America USA and Italy why won't be able to sit down why am I penny about mood guso the year no maybe and just now Oguso dane in penny best because our point so not the wound to me near the year also or do and so Oguso
Yo be a yenim nyansa. Nyatia yenim obi a yenim nyansa nyatia. Kapot ba bi yenim ma. Ke beto ahwe Ghana. Pot nko beto ahwe Ghana.
Mate. Ofa Abraham kakra ne nko. We ase ne ase de we ye wanu de mente wase.
Kan Bible ni baby so man kwasiafo amu ni tire mu wani mu na de mu wa sonso mu nti asem nyame asem de kasa o na de o man kwasiafo amu ni tire mu wani mu na de wa sonso mu nti asem dan Juni Jonas on ensem o kan nyina ya no kore ade ba ko fe na ya mempe won anko man ga na ehia sa ade no akotwe kunkuru ma ehia sa ade no ono so nkwa de ehia ti ya na mpese mitu ne fon so ni ba ne ho so ba ko ne se leader de na menya point obi a leader na nya ne kasete e implication no matter ne obeye ano de nipa bi ante asesa ye fro bi ye fro bi president ye fro bi minister ye fro bi sofo say di ni nya beta obi so akopon ne obeye bia no ya na ohunu ne ho kasa ekoboro so e wono ho akatua da ho wo ye de nya me de be ma wo ansa na makure na aka akro asa be he ho nso de e wo ho sa eno nko na ya na ha mo no ho etom le bi so man ye firi no ya na ye hia nja bi ete sa na mani pa ni aba no so danyan yetemem na nyame ama ya dwene ene ye yusu adwene na danyan so obi a ye kwan as contractor machine o yusu ngase pa ya excavator data ni nyina no no de titim nke nyame adom ye de maraba sami enya galamsi ana timamfo na ya so de no mo ye galamsi digi asode kase ne se ye kona mradi di ne age machine na ye de ko efikasiem edina ne ye de ko fikasiem sa asante region ye de machine na ye de apasa ase wotumfo ye de akosi so ye to ha ne enya machine na ya de ne mako 500 da ne bi ato asante man bi a otumfo din kra ne da so e bi asante man company limited ne da so itino ane se ekwan enye no ye afọ nipa oye gata ye we machine da
okay
ye afọ nipa on so nim kwan ye tua ne ka everyday bi abaji yesai but day bi abaji 50 million okay sa kwan we mu na mo ye o machine da mo mfa nya maye tika machine no ko han ba ko a ebobobo am obi ye ko disika twitwire die no o man na wo bi dada ye ngoto bi na man mu panyimfo asabi o mu nim de ya point o mu sem panyimfo se mu mfa jantum na mo nhye no ya ma soja fo protect ade a esombo e betima mo man ni sika no ye protect se enhye abra soja ni no ogina wono kura kom de na ye de che no a kana abra bo betima dane ohun adwene bi ekura mpanyimfo no mo na isa one kantim na one no Kristo pe nya be kanza sa leader no e kwasua ba ko kanza obenya akatua wo nyame anim di kan so kwasua no akan so man kwasua fo amu ni tire sani atua konkon kan no e na de nyame kasa no e de timi ba wote an shada an shene sa ba kan
now why
o kan ye de ni ma ana
ye de ndi kan na me so you are done man ka se bi bra eye ojo benya sabinya ponko
enye otan o ye po masem it was a siana na do dan gwagu fa nyeso ye mo faase ne bia me papa kam ye proud me tra ba bia me bu no sa na aba ya santre je chama untumi awurade nya me hu se ne ke kokra na me kra ni age e mum ne amu ye chama ese fata ye nwene ho
okay
machine bo adene ye to broni ni sanse mu ni da akwati broni sanse mu ni onni da ba jia kampo gu baabi so ja sama se ne bra bi ba ya adwuma foforo bi anase asa ton kra de ato man ni futuom e de ya adwuma foforo bi na o hye machine sa akwade broni nye je ko ba sa wa obaye no ye nipa bayi
okay
ya ba sire ye mpanyimfo no na no ma hemfo so ase so mun sa ase aso asa adan garam sa asa mesre kuro bi a moton bode ase mun goton bi okuro mo no nya bi abampesi wonim si abampesi no ton de tu garam se ma kom ne wo mo e ga ya principle e go so ma hene wa sa ase abode e ko sui no wa ebi nko kuro ya abodi kuzu e no moto bi adi ko ma di gold o mo nwe gold no hene ne pe wo nwe
so fa ya obeba kuro
wo baba beto unto bi mra na ba
e na ba no nso to galam se
ko so ma hene de ba no abodi ato so wo hene a wo go galam se wo krom na wo hu si yedi bode na ye dia so all the ball sakam bode bia eni ono na no wo fa se fo
anu be de but it's all good man
the kro ni mo ba fe ga bo to to no aya me nam to ma tuko ya bode wa ha
okay
wo mu nyina
ka bi abedi da na kwem
danya se di ojam kan ye ze wo ko nkanya asa o ya du chebi nsuo bi dida kwan mu osa o ya du leda don wo hwe nsuo na ni a ade ba akwa aka onipa asa wo ko abekura wasichire wo anya bread wo ye utia enso nananum e ponte o se bedi hine na akotena akonya so na kuro ni mu nsuo kuro gen sense we are na ball ho ban ukogu person sa e nsuo no na akogu ye akogu nsa ne gu nsuo na hu sa na nimate na ukogu nsa nsuo na mu na da ho no tu nso ayam fonso dan antina na no ayam fonso ma ayam fonso ha ye be si wade so de uto akokọ wo tre bia no atwa ntiagum na adishna basom na no monta ma jejina ba menko otumfo anim go san na menyamra ampa omta waji uni nipa miensa na ebro na onyaye na nsuo no fefefe ene de ukogu nsa ma nsuo be ko na nsuo emu na da ho du kra hu nso aye no bone Tom to tinkonya so na yale akese bi bobo omo om to tinkonya so na for ma no fonfom om ka o je ohini bi o a o kro mu so onim nyansa pa afie no be ko na ni o ka sa jimi nko a ya na nananom na ye no sa om wa no fonfom na o ya ye okwaso ya ya ba sira nananom an ye buo mu nyina ya do mo animonyam akura mo kura de mo ahini no Yesu na si mo nyanko o na si mo hene
me se be man kasa
nyanko na si mo hene tini kwa za mo je animonyam na to fo
me man kasa nti me comment nim ma me read a couple of messages of abotre nko e dey na wo ka me say ye
o sa dan say o tumfo adum ase pampa so hene o tu de fo fra besi o nipa no de besi no oni siko o so wi o si ye Ewurade be damase no ni siko I won't let you go. I won't let you go there. Mommy commenting. You don't have any. I won't let you. F4D said I support Ojam. Okay, I think I read this one. Kofi Kutin says that Trini Jonas is talking about ladies in America who are soldiers and driving, buses. Don't we have ladies here in Ghana who are also military and also driving buses? Always insulting Tracy Boache and Moisha. Are there not ladies in America who are living, bad life than what Tracy and Moisha are living? He is not sensible at all. That's opinion. I'm going on. This one is from Oketeche. Oketeche said, Diane, concerning Letitia's death, if they claim she wrote a note before hanging herself, they should actually compare the writing on that note she wrote to that of the writing in her exercise book to see if the writings are the same. If not the same, then they can actually start from that. If what is said, please, Diane, don't support Nanado. I am not, my dear. If what is said, Diane, please, what has Nanado done for 5 years since he came? He gave me fierce chest. Just like sister said, Madam Hose, I know I have been traveling, you've been traveling before in the good, countries. Please, we only need a good leaders. Yeah, I agree with you. Erike Amako says that, Ojam, you are really making my day. You are really doing a good work for Mother Ghana. Medoka says, offer. That is what people don't know. They don't actually have respect at all. Can you speak without insult someone who is older than you? That's, I think I love your message though. Francis Edu said that about 2 or 3 years ago, they actually collected 500 excavators. Where are they? It's a question. But then we need to see what happened to those excavators that they actually collected. Are they going to burn all of them, or are they going to use them for better things in Ghana? Well, my main family next story, bro, but share for others to be part of the program. Like I told you earlier on, let's be part of the show, If be telephone lines, they are too now, so what? But we'll comment to messages, Fabra. Na yenkin kan enfamao edusan about center for a better one say Dr. Dawudi better one assistant so and Dr. Pia Heba center so nyame onshra odi for na ye boja pekrom e better one say but me next story e ba na what you mean na beto just say if ya Schwarzenegger yes if ya Schwarzenegger e yanka se nuaba ene Uber driver bi when some ebeto ya amanfo etwene sre ene abasa e social media but kamia kwa say when some no enkodae abeto ya say if you Schwarzenegger say oni Uber driver bia ni issue na oyo trofo madaroma ye hwe video ni embra stay with us Uncle Wa
talk about this, but let's just clear the air for the sake of my fans and the idiots that are throwing their weight about. One, I don't have any issue with an Uber driver. Two, I have not been reported to any police station by an Uber driver. 3, I am not an idiot to give my money to an Uber driver. I got 4 cars. I don't have any business with Uber or Uber driver. But you see, some media house cannot deal without me. So ignore the foolishness. Omu you see energy no mfa to car for. No mun ton trano. I that. Eba na nkolega ni go.
The fiance was like about on video. Be na me wan say nani su mu ade. Now what catch Ghana for say she is not an idiot to pay any money to any Uber. And then let me reverse what he has said to her. Say, if really she is not an idiot as she claims, then I'm putting it back to her. Say, she is an idiot because we're so once you have paid the money and you want to describe yourself to be somebody who is not an idiot, and then say, but this should be reversed to you. Saying you are an idiot because you have paid, you have gone there to pay the money, 700 Ghana cedis. That Sunday, who in the first place sent Shaba Kwajo with the phone to the police station, Bachuna division. One and then the call. Now they do a small in Shaba Kwajo. So I'm going to 400 Ghana cedis. Ebra in Shaba Kwajo at the 400 Ghana cedis ne phone call ya. Oma Angelo. They went to a Fiasha's nigger's house and they picked her. Almost for follow police patrol from the FIA. 18 area hono. Call Bachuna divisional police. Okoshia police ni. And then the bageni and even a Fiasha's nigger. When you know they can make me to send a waji a branch any phone unlawfully. Police for a fraud, a foul fear no. Enka me call you no. I almost see all patch on I was say a 7 all patch all person would do the phone man and I would cheska. When you know they can make me to send a waji a branch any phone unlawfully. Police for a fraud, a foul fear no. Enka me call you no. I almost see all patch on I was say a 7 all patch all person would do the phone man and I would cheska man. Enka me and I'm just a wow I know you're doing. And I was saying so now we are seeing Nana and we should have been bargain. And so boy and so Joe 200 Ghana cedis for a day from Thursday to Sunday. You bargain and you pay 700 Ghana cedis to the boy. I mean returning the phone to him. I didn't know the one can I bet Ghana for say you are not an idiot. What can I say there? Then the first was nigga, you are an idiot because you have paid the money. I don't have the intent to insult anybody, no. But I'm just taking back her words to her. So I say, when you're idiot, or you're Jimmy for, or you're Kwasia, and we're going to chase my Uber driver, and it's a word chase Canada, then you are an idiot.
Another honor, bruh. And you're bro for country.
That one here can't 7. Now, we defend the FSS nigga.
Yeah.
Let me say, Sir was sir. And I said, the local and the Uber driver no. A channel. A bus, let me say, what your phone or your right. But I see I can answer officials nigga, what do you pay? One more young man, what do you pay? And a jail phone, so I want to din what am the din Uber driver on the phone. It one of the didn't and don't even talk phone. Huh? Who didn't talk phone? And then the quiet dear part about what dream. Ma would chase our phone free. Say Uber driver. And then that's a one for no crown. Said there's a walk from Kakao team. And a EP. Nothing air than a didn't. Eh? And said we want more than you. And then I can't want to contain the full feelings. And I want video. Why now? Now the phone, now the call of flower, no catino, or flower, no catino. Who is the Casua? Who can say you are Ghana people? You are again idiot. You are idiot. And just as I was almost saying, Ghana,
They say this, I cannot know what ya.
What ya?
And now they are no.
You must say no offer.
Ebia. Na the button the more the beko.
You offer for me.
Ko shut down fata.
Me me ba driver na 7 million ka benye. Make us machine for na finish it bottom. It's na 100 million na nation. 100 million na nation. Na mi yesu so a. Basa be tell radio so na TV so asa ka se bo konfo. Ba di pa mako 15 phone.
Say you abo bit me pay.
You abo there. When the come for mako for the dey now. You abo piem when the come there back there. Now.
So I said there wia.
Na ya dai.
Kwan share there wia. O se maji.
What you ya dai?
Eh bi a charge no eventually na do so a. Say what chia.
What ya?
Wa bargain ni atwia.
Oba from afa hu aye. Who that is a group bank here? Who that is a group bank here? We are. Tell him my dad has some we are. What is we are?
No problem there. What is it I was story home.
A foot to nam de be me fia say any maybe co system na hu say no 1 year.
Yeah.
Jaito. Because the young one is here waiting months of what they change what you scare chance.
Yeah.
Aside when was ya say mere. Tini party bitimi ba mu. And I did bitimi ko mu nim say no home pe. Na e ma active of the bias ade na petem bias wani mu na won so ade nim free mu no wabɔ ka kyɛn nyanka e ba ye na de abufu bi na wo
yeah
wo yesa anya nyansafo yesa na ye da ho na ama hu so mu odu no ba hini nyina na wani na ho so menam ka se so bi papa wesika no wo gya na japade na akora no mu ye gimifo ye de japade ni gya no no hia ni so ba ye nyansafo ni ye nya na hwea obɛbɔ bra kyɛn sika ni ba because what ni gimi ba shi sika ni nyina
sa
nti mesrɛ fia se bibi woni mu no visa sa ade ni ko ni mu bia se na tebia man act abnormal
yeah
ohunu nyansa na emwa no
okay
ye na si ye a wanti man so bo ade akyin wakotu asa adwuma asa akopa kyew wanim na bɛyɛ ha nipa buebu na sote maka jaga na mpa info se first was nega wonya first lady se Peter Fratchet ya papa nana ado dan kwa kufu ado ne yere wonya ne afia so
no
ejomo wo mra wo Ghana wo man ne ejom nyansem hunu na ya na tro bi omu zo mu didie no obi na ya ade we ko ya nke betwini mu amena hunu bi die free so ade no obi aba ma ye na dwuma na tim do ope eje ade free ne nsasa wo ye wan na me nya abotre na obodo na kagya na oda wo sisi Ghana fo nya ade bi le bako akoso ne so no no mum na ya gigimo afia adan so panyin mu apempam engosi we na no wo che MP na wo ayi femenjia ha izo ya na eji wanwani kasa no ho basa asa papa ne nwale asa nyi oba na eda na eji mutima hwe ne ha oda so ne nam ha ya ne ka chia ne ketua bia da mu gina ase aso ya fo gina mo ne wa hu ne ade ne ti ya besre wo muru obi aso ya nyina moja na guyo ya nyina ye nipa ya wo abosome nkono ne saa nti esere se bibi chia wo ma ye hunu ne njirima ne nyina ensua bibi mfirim
okay
wo ma nipa ne chance na mo suru afoforo nso wo nso hu so ya ne saa bia nso be kɔ nanim ya besre so mo na de da so ntina ne oyam fo so mo ntimi nka
ni ene ye no kre ene ye no
kre mo be skan bia na ne ka
bebe no na ne
ene kre
what you say na
you don't have
the best no na no ba ye nyina ka bi ma ba so onya o video ba bia na timi je na de nyame obetima tu aka ho mo sa maka tu abo ano ne ba ano de ne ba nti onya ha yi
okay
ani oya na mu ano de bia na twa kwaje kwasia bi de no de wanya bote no abo ne keja ya nchini ntu no wa hwere wo nkwa wo ye de awukọ
yeah some
omna ni mra na ho so no yo ba so ba oto otuduro.
All right, mami ko WhatsApp messages kakana me fa me last story mo na yen kai bro from na yen sorry na yen ko streaming live on Facebook Kumawood TV, streaming live on YouTube Kumawood TV. You share for others to be part of the program. Ojamu pe wumpo bro from Obeka. So please relax yourself. If you think you cannot speak the English today, you won't talk. Say I won't talk.
No talk.
Then we close, okay? But you won't come in because you are not blending any chi. We are going strictly English. Okay? So if you know the story that I am bringing, you understand the story that I'm bringing, whether you like it or not, it's English, strictly English, solely English, no blending of chi, no Chinglish. So prepare, because I saw Ojam saying that. I heard Ojam telling you that hey brofo in the main kasa, so then one kasa. So I'm coming. Let me read a couple of messages.
It will surprise you too.
Surprise me, okay? I said, if you can't speak English, that means my last throughout no tree. Today is strictly English. Okay. So if you know you can't speak the English, that means you are not going to talk about my last story. Okay. You will keep quiet. You won't comment. You won't cough. You won't laugh. You won't shake your body. You will sit there like this until we close. And then you greet. Okay. So that is as a Sister Diane. Why anytime I comment on Facebook, you know, you don't read. Why? I'm watching live from Tripoli. Good morning to you and thanks. Really, I read all the messages. Maybe you don't listen to it, but I do justice to all the messages. I'm going on. In fact, when I count 10 wise men in Ghana offer, you are one of them by Apostle Emmanuel. Thank you for your message, Apostle. I heard you say good morning. I think Chidi Jonas should be president in this nation because he is planting sense in your head. Really, I love Chidi Jonas. Keep doing the good work. Thank you for your message. This one said, Ghana is not good. Really? It's not good. Nametasi Bibia Ebeye fine. Yamompaye. Ma main coso. This message says that Diane, please, good morning. Please, I commented on Koowaa program since Monday, but you don't actually read them even this morning. Please, why? But I am reading your message. So what again should I do? Diane, please, good morning. Please, I commented. So, like you heard me. I am reading the message. I don't know which one again that I don't read them for you. Cool. Good morning. I'm really enjoying your program. Please tell of I know Jam that I like them a lot, and I always take their advice, and I want them to be my counselors. So tell them I need their contact. May God bless you all. I'm watching from Bronsancro. I don't know. Bronsancro. Okay, me that's it. Bronsancro. Okay, thank you. So, Mamudini Mofa and Chemin. I was watching Avram Ben Moshe, and he said something Wednesday. He said, how can you actually rule a country with Nigel Gezi and Owusu Bempah? Ghana is a joke from bed. The excavators they are burning is just a gift. Just give them more money and law Biden meaning anyway. That is your message that you brought. I'm going to skip to the next one. I have this message that says that good morning, beautiful Diane. The initial idea of seizing the excavators was to be used for development project, but it got to an attention of the president that the MCEs and DCEs were giving it back to the owners and selling them for their personal gains. That is why he decided to destroy them. But I know cry no and fantastic was say or say no. From if you just say Ash, I am say Evans. Please, Nigel Gezi has truly proved by himself that he is not from God. Hey, Ghana. Ghana is what? I am coming to this one. Good morning, madam. Ghana is a scam country. After double money to send me, and then I will send you after that American lottery. Now is Lotto send me 40 Ghana cedi. I will give you number, and then blah blah blah. It goes on and on and on like that. I'll come back and finish the message for you. But share my last story video in Ayambra. When I come, I'll give you explanation to that. Stay with us.
See what I dance. Almost a police for no better moon. So I'm back on the crack. Sabayana, a Janaya Aguno. Ah, na Jiwonum can. Woman didn't talk on. Will be to me will be any more. The about time. Yes, see a young Koran America at the Achramo. Sacrano and San, none a nasty form. Robert Homa would the Quasha come for Ryland, and Homa would the Quasha come for. Search. I couldn't would do. And in the baby, yes, I understand moon was a Chasiano or Sansawa, a Chile Robert Homana Guono, a mean corner man, corner move into a dipper from Naman and 90 be never a concord. Yes, will be I that would be. No one was out that general break. The Pedja Bambrane, then I quack a sensor. Nay, Edia ne yenya.
School you cry security tight. Security
tight. Christopher na tia.
School na ye school.
Ayi ya pa. Yentimi nkum nipa.
Edia ni mguase
na mami video bi ba abonten a na obi gina chiri kase de oku mebai nyame betua ne kane ade ansana yehu se obi kura ni mu omo yi ne sa time na wo wen
na me wo ho
ndi wana na kasa asem no
ya na maame no na maame ne dia Odika was school was at 7:30. Then she suffered be what you suffer Pierre Martin. On another to Mamma Kumaka, Mamma, see what they were a while back or China Pama. The park was Sonny Benny Martin, no Sonny Benny Money, Benny Benny Uncle.
Diana, this woman, God will punish her. If the lady is her daughter, he will not come
and say this, yeah.
God will punish her.
Okay.
If you are Deeper Life Church, so it's what? We have so many pastors in Ghana here. They even kill people.
Yeah.
They smoke weed. We have pastors in Ghana here. They steal money.
Yeah.
It's not this money where a pastor is collecting money from a church member. Like 5,000. It's not a scam. So what Timemuni can do, pastor can do.
I told you not to laugh.
You see,
because when I asked you, you told me I should go to Offer first. So Offer is talking. Allow him to finish, and then you come in. If you want to talk, you talk. Don't laugh, or else I'll walk you out from my seat, sweetheart.
You are you are a mother. So at least you should have some
sympathy,
small pain.
Sympathy, yeah.
You see that thing?
Yeah.
Then you are just coming out and say, meanwhile, we give you a space to sell a food. So you don't want the school. It's not nice at all. It's not nice. What the woman is doing, God will punish the woman. Trust me. Trust me. Trust me.
God will punish the woman.
God will punish the woman.
Okay.
Come and say something. Say we are Deeper Life School.
Yeah.
So what?
So they cannot do that.
There are a lot of pastors in Ghana here.
The woman claims that you know, looking at how the girl looks like, nobody can tie her because the girl is heavy, and secondly, nobody killed her. But according to the Letitia's mother, the mother said when they took Letitia to the hospital, the doctors told them that nobody. Letitia didn't kill herself, but somebody killed her.
Diana, as for that comment, I don't want to hear at all. Okay. We are in Ghana here, and a certain pastor say when we are going for a power, he tell us to go and kill or pay for.
Yeah.
Are we not in Ghana?
Pregnant woman, yeah.
A pregnant woman. Is she not bigger than Letitia?
Yeah.
What are you telling me?
Maybe they are strong enough to carry, you know, such a person. But looking at Letitia and the school, you know, students, they can't actually kill Letitia because the students are not heavy.
Letitia is a school student girlfriend. Can't she hold her and talk? No.
What's the meaning of talk?
Die.
Huh? Over. What's the choco?
Can't Letitia boyfriend hold him and do major? Now, if you can hold your girlfriend and do major, how can't you hold a girlfriend and hang her?
So you still believe there is somebody who actually killed the girl?
I'm getting angry.
Because you're getting angry. No, you are not getting angry. You're lying. You just don't want to speak the English. You don't want to elaborate it. Because no, you have. Because the offer, I know. If it's true, like you're not done yet.
Such issue, I don't spend time. Because if I spend time, this woman, I should have slapped her in the TV. Yes. I don't want to do that because she's a woman. Okay. I always say I don't want to insult a woman.
Okay.
You see that? I always respect.
So you disagree with her?
I disagree with her.
You don't
I hate
really
what he's saying.
Okay.
At least you should have
some sympathy
or pain.
Yeah.
For the lady or the family.
Yeah.
You see that? Because if it is your daughter, you will not come out and say this. You at least support Ghanaians to tell the school the truth. You know that thing. So what you say, you know, I'm not agreeing.
You don't really agree with it.
The time is going. And
the time is not really going. I wanted you to elaborate and then say much, but
I don't have a problem.
Okay.
I think
so I should go to. Will you talk? Oh no. It's you. I said, don't say me. You. So looking at the situation, what the woman is saying, do you believe the woman?
Yes.
This woman,
she's rich.
She's a very, very rich.
Yes.
Rich.
Yes, you're rich.
Oh.
You're deep rich.
But the woman is an old woman, so what do you call her witch?
Woman. You are young. You're double. How? Yeah, young girl is a kung fu. Woman,
your friend daughter died. We come out and see this. Why? Why?
Don't cry me.
I told you. I told you that
this woman. I'm disappointed.
Okay, you are disappointed.
You are disappointed by this woman.
How can you say that?
You really say that.
You said the school is a deeper life school, right? So they can't kill.
When you are looking for when you are looking for wicked men in Ghana here, they are pastors.
Wow.
You will see a pastor chewing a little boy, a little girl. You will see a pastor drinking blood. So what are you telling me? It's a deeper life school. What are you telling me? Then I'm going to try to find out I have broken my paper.
Okay, this woman, you are going to your tree. You are blow you.
Blow her, let me see. Go to tree and blow her, let me see.
This woman.
Go to. I'm giving you half tree. No tree. Straightly tree. I told you. Do English.
You are this my young girl. You are one can soda. I really so blood.
Hey.
How is it coming home?
As for you, you help me. Every day they don't see my because of you. And everything thank you.
The school.
The students.
The students.
Or the congregation.
Yes.
The students.
You are people. Sentence. You are very sentence.
The students are Satan.
You are student is a Satan.
You see, you want to say much, but because of the English, you can't say it. What's the meaning? I'm saying that you love.
You love that.
Oh, let me lie. You would love to, talk much, to explain much, to express yourself, but because of the English language, you can't speak it. And I want that. I told you last time, let me take you to school so that you'll be learning how to speak English. I'll pay your fees, I'll give you food, I'll give you money, but you said no. Now, the only thing you can say is, the lady, this woman is very, very disappointed. And I don't understand. So what are you trying to tell me now? So you don't agree with the woman?
Yes. Yes, you agree. You are woman.
You don't agree.
You agree.
You agree?
No, you agree.
I don't agree.
You agree. You are.
When you listen from the student, they will tell you that particular day they don't go to dine.
They told them that the food was not ready. Yeah.
So are you? It's not ready.
So they should hold on. They should go to church service and come. So when they went for church service and came back for their dining,
so you are telling me
and then they realized that the girl has hung herself.
So they are telling me that is it because the lady want to die? That's why they stop food for the lady to go and die.
Eh?
You are very, very tossing.
0202668461 or 62.
You are very, very, you are woman, you are lucky.
Because of the English. But because of the English, you can't. Because of the English. That's why you are cutting it short because of the English.
Okay. You are told you are paying this woman.
Ojam, deep wage. saying Sadik they by heavy the team say oh stressa allow Ojam to speak chila me man in catch mama na kabrofo Ojam ni tompo say Ojam is over why will you say something?
Yes.
What will you say? Flow. Maybe my telephone line is not to make me up. Good morning, darling. Now I want to say, all right, Mpacho Yintio. Okay. Okay, I think so now we'll lie now more maintenance, Papa. Fu Jones said, Diane, come and see how I'm rolling on the floor. Oh, Diane, teach them at home. Everything is possible. When you teach them, they can actually learn. Hey, Ujam, you make me laugh. Fu Jones was 0202668162 or 61. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello. Okay, maintain can't I'm saying the video. Hello. Okay, offer. And then I think say the phone in the BC. And then Buja for phone in Sinayonko.
Then my regards to God so my hand and I was in my phone.
Okay.
Drama and I better myself.
Okay.
Manita.
Okay. All right. James, I wear a shell. Oh, no, so okay.
This cat in other patch.
Madam,
no, with this car. Much I was Kankasa.
Okay.
Yes, the more Casaman Chan. And this car, Machel. This one, Macha, the papa, what before, maybe I would have Chow. And the Panama is a bow. I never said
okay. I just for your call your first the PC and my abuwa for the beer almost so yes CJ fashion so Kumasia mekom or no enoch bread. Including me and a pebia papa nyame ushaw na onyu free adom ekwadom so wajim so say amen or say all African clothing fakodano obepam de ama fabric biara openo atadi bia okosiji honoma obesisi ama ho aye the number is 0268 505021 freno na onyo fine udra mekoma directly opposite or Danny Sports lens wrap and Vanyo Pop and Obutu and to Kosisi also a great fashion designer so Okwana Kachia Mounted polyphony invested for in a woman echo jo monted your attachment so you to go there na on show with Juma na be fashion designer mappa Odi for na boy Japekro papa ye was be say was so yas Dr. Dawood ye da was say so and Dr. Pia Herbal Center Moso Mowo Eye Kwadaso in some opposite Presby Church. Thank you so much. Say Abribiano, would we seek a treaty? So as me did you made the Edinburgh. Na me unshaw na only free adomo and quadrum. Dr. Dawood. Papa, Yame unshaw, would running in an air pub and a copy bimdofo, na emo promoting intimate engineer brand. Sasuna Bushman International Bushman. I'm watching ye Yame unshawate. Miss TV Kakaka Kobo me dem. nanti bushman nyame nyu free adomo enko adomo appliance papa de na so be ko bushman ho e wo agric junction e ho bibia opebia no onsa e be can be when it comes to home appliances, blenders, cookers, burners, fridges, TV, all kinds of be all bushman honum and okay me fa inchasono enko ma bomb so hema papa kokubo for so ye child baby a wo bia no afi ego prophet papa me child me te won ka che na me ba ho ma behwew kakra odiska enneke aneke me hu me child bebre Mr. Yebo anyame onhira papa me director ochinozo me camera Kobe Frank aka Kai Wachi Kai Wachi baby a ufri bia yes afi oge ene law MCRs executive producer Sam Darkus and AJ Hipson so Eka production team. Happy birthday and come Steve my baby, Steve my son, Steve my all. Nyame oshaw na onfen fisha bibre and kawum fie ho. Steve nyakopon osha papa. You are a blessing to us. Nyame shaw. Papa abranti ujam osome enti medone pa ene na woda just say medidio me unidi obede onya krache se obedware me enti nyakopon osha your sister wo suma eya na pani ya de amawa enye ne ya enti medo bebre Steve happy birthday to you my dear yapon adumdo me adwada ye beba bye
I do so mama numa apoto be bread san what to ask me mama no apoto be bread e ma get man no ma be no yes who jiri body di na tunsuo ni bra tell you bibi bra dey tie me bibi na 2 point ma kwa no ti me ma me see the fear papa bi na me problem na to bula mama ya me dis dance me bra so mpo mani to bra chabo le what to apoto be bra e anzuo
etine bremo okay etunsuo ni project abuoi a manfo abrechirefo baabi afo kufa so top K achiri kwan ana no me di asokwan da no watentina
na wo dey fa what dey
never mama have a cry what the problem so who pay su papa na su project pa e top K so far the down what you man so for say you too so oh e top K I want to call you Yaba just na say and who want to fresh out of me what you want to say top K and so
Yo, me din chason kumo bia na de wo hwe me diane Dr. Asale am da apom din heba center ano ene de me otwen komo afa yale ba bebre na yale am sapa e wo maso e ho eni yale eni nse ne ti bia no bomboden bedu Dr. Asale maso ya nyame fam so em woni no ebie eye kama ewiase nyina ne yale ene wo ha papa edi nya papa ti wani no se wote menken wa yenhila eni nse ne tie bia no wo de bomba fa bedu Dr. Asale maso ye eni nse ete ene wo so a wo de ba mema odu abidu ko gin a obem no wa pa ete ne nyina fus na ye kama pressure ene abo ni so wani na ebo ene wo so se ga kuma so na wo ni so enso ma obidu ko gin a obenom ebo wani ni so ayekusu ebo wani ni so hu ade obi ba hu te nipa ne ben okra hu no o wachi nso hu no ewia ba hu ntumi kra eno so do duma so ye ha nyame fa me so ma obidu ko gin a onom a wani tumi eye kama na wotumi kwa wa yehwe ya se diabetes eno so ya de bone papa eche ya de bone nti otimi nkan na na se eche ya de wo so na we ni problem so wo so a wa yenhila watimi nkan me sa ya le ama ho ato no so da dansidi akokire afoforo a wo so wo a wo so ntimi nkan no waka chi obi no so aba nti we hwem se he screen ase me number na gu ase no fa number no na frɛ me na wo nuya bi a wate se nani wa so le ba bi wo ma me bi wo sesa bi wo no so no wo wa de number na ma no na wo so atumi abeduma so ya no ma hwɛ no
Odifo ene ye odifo na ye bo awiemfo ba da wote se wo falumba metabo ni din no ono ene na mebe mo akọ na akotie na num asem simape na wo hunu se wo pe baabi pa wo podifo bi de ho akobata no a ye wadifo mu ahodo minimo hawo kore hawo wo hwa abodamfo wa ha ene ya ba ha obehunu ni nyina moborofo oni bie papa na basa so na eni gi sema wom ni se o yare na ba na kache ha ono ama ba bia wo beda na wama aduane adi kosi se wo benya ahoto na wo ababa bedi adanse nyame nsa wo ne so ne ma wo ye buradwe ne entiase so koso na wo pepe bia kompai body a e jape kurum ene e wo se wo ko eni gi sema wom ni se bosumi bia wo ye all 91 ti bia wo hye bia wetima prepare na wa ba bi bosumi bia ifia da to so mienu na wo ye no one fa number na egu afidie ni so na frɛ papa yenko ne he odifo no etie na num kasa ketua na bo sa wo te na num kasa mpa wo bo ebeto yam yenko hwe ne mra
ya frame na ye bo a odifo awiemfo ba me wo jape kuru adum no nyame de ma ye kwa wo se ye mfa nche kwa media me dwuma media ne se me nyame som ne me sofodie nyina me se me hwe nyanka nwisia mobro wafo oni ana me hwe wo na wo ba no so nya nunku anti ese me ma wo nyame asem na wo nom na wuti na wo me wo ba ni nya gidie se wo ba no anase wankasa mu problem na be dey e be sofo gidie ni mu a unso kristo nya twase wo bi o dey ko wo gidie wo a wo hwe me no wo a wo hwe me no sisi a wo hwe me wo na me no wo kasa asem no bra anyi achinyi difo ho na si difo ni ho ba bia me wo a olumba ebe pie me so no ye ka che wa be yo nwanwa na be ju nsem me hyewura mu ba bi na de beda ahoto be dia ba bia wo beda de wo betena aduane a wo bedie wo die wo ni hweku a me se wo de beda anyi achinyi bomode abra na abedu ha wo be hu nyame ani monyam ene ne kese ye me number wo hwe ma kira kwa de benyam ye 0243 35 65 83 bra na abedu ha wo be hu nyame ani monyam ene ne kese ye amen.
So I'll shoot you straight.
I was young for radiant pempens. Where do they? Let go of family dish. Maybe beneath a brunia who fed you. No, best see Trodo Amatua. Pia
Anima, nothing.
So 3 days in the malaria. No, I'm going to make us a
men check with malaria crown mini baby pa. I saw Minda na ya brain pocketachi. Minim send yam tientino. Mebano, me boa me home. Mo aso adro ni nie Dawood heba misa adro wi me yire dom sima
Aso kono fo wa mama ji wedi Dawood eba me cha dia ma me di hye ya kire se okwa obetima ahwe ne so yie bra be ma me de chew Dawood eba me cha sahwini na duro ni ni
yankra toyi FD agiatu
adi oi
honey never surprise oh Edusa herbal mixture any Edusa herbal capsules and no who dreaded there you could brew who's a daw complaining with sisini kokoa epe ajiwakade Edusa herbal mixture any Edusa herbal capsules and no who jack a sepan and ne you could brew william a yama money mema Edusa herbal mixture any Edusa herbal capsules a yoko ni sisiya redrook a sepa
Edusa herbal mixture.
Any Edusa herbal capsules. Mr. Rotsnasi. Namen serve.
Edusa herbal mixture. Any Edusa herbal capsules. Emma mejina brand. Na yemme.
Ah. Na Edusa ya wasese me blabo we.
Sweetie, me be come me mama adwamwa.
Hey. What dance ye? Aye chuma.
It's a living testimony. Kona kwa jodi.
Wakaki ya
I'm sorry. Obie timinumbi. I just a pin for. One woman for down for. Any the onion see do me.
FDA ahwehwɛ saa adwadie nkratoɔ yi mu agye atum sɛ ɛyɛ
Senior Tuso. I do so, Mamma Numa. I put to be plenty son. What to ask me, Mamma? I put to be blue. I am get more Mamma. Yes, who did you put it in that to Blah, baby, baby. Not too fine. My father to remember me, see the fear of the beast. Let me problem not to pull a mamma. Minister Gans, maybe there's some money to me. Trouble, I want to. I want to be blue.
It's never okay. And swear you quoting a boy. I'm on for British for baby for proof. I have to shut up. Okay, I tell you, I don't know me a day as for quite a lot. Now, I never, Mamma have a cry. But the problem so open to Papa and support your pa. I am tough. So far the town put you man. Someone is a young to so oh, I am tough. Okay. I'm going to call you. Just nothing. And if you want to have fresh out of money, what you want to say? Top K. Top K. And so
Yo, me din chason kumo bia na de wo hwe me. Me din ane Dr. Asale am da apom din heba center ano. Ene de me no atwe komo afa yale ba bebre. Then we do Dr. Asale Masua ya nyame fam so em woni no ebie eye kama ewiase nyina ne yale ene wo ha papa edi nya papa ti wani no sa wote menken wa yenhila eni se nye tie biara no wo de bo mafa be du Dr. Asale Masua ye eni se ete ene wo so a wo de ba mema wo du abidu ko gin a obenu ma bepa ete ne nyina fus na ye kama pressure ene abo ani so wani na ebo ene wo so se ga kuma so na wo ani so enso ma obidu ko gin a abeno ebo wani so ayekusu ebo wani so hu ade obi ba hu te nipa ne ben okra hu no o wachi so hu no ewia ba hu ntumi kra eno so wo be du Masua ya ha nyame fa me so ma obi duro ko gin a onoma